No way.
It's landing?
No way. The drone just force landed itself. It did not make it back. So now we're gonna go on this
adventure.
Oops. At this point, I hadn't realized the drone landed in a severely no trespassing area, which we'll get to in a little bit. Now we gotta go find it. Please wish us luck.
Oh my gosh.
I cannot believe that just happened.
It literally was like classic Cowboy Dynamite fashion.
Oh my gosh, 2 batteries.
I got this.
All right, we're gonna go find it.
We're gonna go find it. In classic Cowboy Dynamite fashion, he has 2 bars on his battery for his drone.
Well, we're gonna send it
he's
anyways.
gonna try to take it out there. What could go wrong, right, babe?
What could go wrong? At least we have clear view.
The always optimist. Always the optimist.
All right, so this started off like any other drone flight. My girlfriend and I drove past this waterfall that you can see here in the distance called Sunset Falls in the beautiful Washington mountains. And I thought, you know what? Let me bust the drone out really quick and just fly out to see if we can get a closer look at it, because, you know, why not? And what I didn't really realize, well, actually that's not true. I knew the drone only had 2 batteries, or 2 bars of battery on my last battery, but still, I was like, you know what, screw it. I think I can make it there and back. And I was reading the time I had left on the controller, which previously in the past had been faithful. So if it said like 3 minutes left, I thought, okay, I've got 3 minutes to make it back. So I was tracking based on the time on the controller.
It looks dope, but we're getting the low battery alert. So he is sprinting little buddy home.
So at this point, I'm starting to freak out a little bit because obviously I see water up ahead and I'm not exactly sure where we are relative to the map.
Can I help you out? You can get there?
It's gotta be it.
Yeah.
No way. No way.
It's landing?
No way. So all I'm trying to do at this point is just desperately avoid the water.
Where is it going?
No way. I have no idea. And the drone actually cut out right here, so I had no idea whether I was clear of the water or not.
Does it tell you where it is?
That's so
Okay, so now what?
I have no idea. Never had this happen before.
We're gonna find it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Does it tell you where it landed?
I literally have no idea. It just says there.
Okay, so I think it's just probably down on that little road then.
But I have no idea how to get there. Find my drone. It basically says we need to go.
Let's do it.
Should we go find it?
Yeah.
Do we have time?
Yeah. Yeah, we got time, babe.
I'm so sorry, babe.
You're fine, babe. So we saw a waterfall. We thought it would be cool to go check it out. And we've totally stumbled into like a Stranger Things lab.
Let's say it's danger drowning. Warning 0.
Tolerance for trespassing. Like they are like gnarly about this.
It must just be like an extremely strong
Current. I mean, you can see it down there. It's crazy. Shall we?
Yeah, should I put it in the park?
Yeah, let's just go pop in there. There's a little gap. Prosecution is guaranteed.
Where does it say that?
Right there.
That's ballsy.
Alright, so we don't try that area.
We're just trying to find a good view of Sunset
Like, we just want to
Falls.
see the falls.
Yeah.
We're not trying to do anything.
We're not trying to do anything. We're just trying to innocently look at waterfalls. Yeah. This does feel like some sort of like Stranger Things place. It's in the middle of the forest.
Yeah, that is very strange. Okay, well, I bet he wondered what we were doing. Where are you going?
They were cooking.
Maybe there's another pull off. So I'm assuming if it's that blocked off, they'd also rather you not fly a drone right from the top of it. If it is Stranger Things vibes.
I think it's just danger.
I do too. But hey, girl can dream.
So if by this point you are so confused, you're like 10 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago, where are we, Chris? I am going to break it all down for you. Okay, so my girlfriend and I passed this trail and we saw what we thought was Sunset Falls, but it's actually Bridal Veil Falls all the way over here. And it looks so beautiful, just the water drizzling down in the sunlight. It was amazing. So obviously, pull over and we're like, okay, we have to go check this out with the drone because, it'd take us forever to hike there. So we pull off here and we pull down this road here, all the way down here. Actually, no, we come over here and come down here. And it's at this point that we run into that no trespassing sign. Well, really, it was like 40 no trespassing signs, as you can see from the video, LOL. And so we pull back out of here and we're like, okay, we A, can't go through there. B, need to find somewhere where we have clear sight of the waterfall. So we pull literally just right down here. And there's a pull off and you can clearly see the waterfalls from here. So like perfect. So fly the drone back. Now, as you can see from the drone footage on my way back, it tells me about right somewhere in here that it's emergency landing or it's low battery doing a forced landing. So I basically have no idea because I basically lose contact with the drone right about here. So I just keep pushing forward and thankfully make it to right around here, which I'll provide the exact coordinates as well. Actually, not important. I lost the coordinates, but anyways, the coordinates it gives me just show that it's right here. And so I'm like, okay, I still don't know if it's alive. I still don't know if it's in the water, if this is wrong or whatever. But either way, as we know from our exploration earlier, there is a ton of no trespassing signs here. So first thing we think to do is come from here, go back down this little road, and try walking out this way to see if there's any way we can kind of cross over without interfering with whatever Stranger Things action is going on in here. It's legitimately saying like,
oh, we should take this little walking path.
yeah. Is this a walking path? Like, it looks like it. I just have no idea. I'm like, okay, we have the coordinates, right?
Yeah, that's what's plugged in. That's that red dot.
It's saying we can literally just go that way.
Okay, that's right where the coordinate is. So.
Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. At least we have like a story, so if like someone's there like, what are you doing? We're like, I'm so sorry. We're
yeah.
like trying to get this girl.
No, it's literally the whole thing.
So we bumped into some people here, and of course I was like, I'm gonna go talk to them and ask them about this place. But they didn't really give much advice. They were like, oh, there's trespassing signs? We didn't even know. And we were like, yep. And they were like, all right, well, we should still go anyways. So, all right.
What are we doing, babe?
We're gonna go try to find the drone.
We're going drone hunting.
This way.
Perfect. Let's do it.
I know. It's so crazy. This is actually just so crazy.
I still have to walk kind of slow, by the way.
You're all good. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this happened.
freaking crazy. I can't believe it landed itself.
I know.
We're going on a drone hunt. Gonna catch a big one. Big one. Alright, babes. There's the train tracks.
Is that the train tracks?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's literally saying like we need to go like that way.
Sorry, what's it saying? Wait.
It's saying we need to go that way.
To the trees?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like we need to cross the train tracks and then
Oh, okay.
head over.
I don't even know how we're gonna get down there. Pretty gnarly.
Yeah.
You sure you have to cross the train tracks?
Yeah, it's on the other side.
Is it worth driving to the no trespassing signs to just see how far off it says it is from there?
Yeah. Yeah, because I don't know.
I just don't know.
This is
We should put on pants if we're doing this.
This is crazy. Yeah.
Like, we can do it. It's just a gnarlier.
Let's see like the Google Maps coordinate. Okay. So it's literally like no, yeah, literally if we could just go through the no trespassing sign.
Where's the sign?
So we are, where are we? We're here. We went down, it's like right here. This is like the gate, so then it's like literally, supposedly, train? Yeah. Get the track whistling. Oh, yeah,
This would be a pretty cool POV of the train.
The only other thing I'm thinking is like,
Is there another way to get around there?
like we literally go to here, park, cross the tracks,
That's so sketchy.
and then go right. I think let's just go down to the entrance.
Okay.
I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know, man. I wish that there was someone at the no trespassing sign so we could just explain
I know.
and show them and they could like escort us. Like, we're not trying to like rebel rouse by the river.
So we drive down here to where there's this severely gated area with like 6 different cameras. And that's where I start talking to this gentleman who, out of the kindness of his soul, is like, you know what? You should just flip and go for it.
What do you say?
He said, just go get it. He's like, he literally was like, is it really just like on the other side? And I was like, yeah, it's literally like 100 feet probably past it. He was like, I would just go down and get it. Like, he's like, it's all, yeah, I don't know. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, I mean,
Just go get it?
I think so. What else are we gonna do? Leave it?
It'll be a good story, that's for sure.
Yeah. What do you think?
I kind of think we should just go get it too.
Yeah. What was he like? Who is he?
He just lives here.
Oh,
He just seemed like a nice, normal guy.
yeah.
And he was like, I don't like think anyone really cares. He's like, the only reason we have all these signs and these things everywhere is because it's private property and there's like this whole thing. And he's like, but if it was my drone, he's like, yeah, I would just go through and get it and just say like, my drone crashed. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Like, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Like, we really tried to do every other option to not do
Yeah.
this. But the only other option is crossing the river over freaking train tracks, and that's
Yeah.
just like not a good idea. But yeah, do you want me to just stay in the car or do you want me to come with you?
I would love for you to come with.
Okay.
Just because I think having a girl with you always helps.
I can say it's my fault because I wanted you to film the waterfalls.
I was more so worried that it was like you might get electrocuted or something.
I didn't think about
and
that.
He said no, it's like fishing.
Should we make sure it's not right there?
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Yeah. Even this thing.
Okay, well.
I'll send it.
Thanks, babe. Okay, let's go. We're coming, Droney. Is it this way?
Yeah, it should be like right here.
Should we have it make the sound? Right here? Really? Here it is.
Are you kidding me? Oh.
Wait, can you see it?
Yes. Oh, I can see it. Like,
Yeah, there
on
it
the
is.
Camera.
Yeah, go get it.
Wait. No freaking way.
Oh wait, I wasn't on it at all.
That's okay.
Okay.
We got it.
I was like, I really can't see it in here.
Oh my gosh. We got it. All right, let's get out of here.
Let's go.
I cannot believe we got it.
I can't either.
I cannot believe we got it.
Oh my gosh.
I can't believe we have it. I was literally ready to just be like, well, I wanted a new drone.
I wasn't about to let that happen.
All right. We found it.
Oh my god.
We got it.
Ow.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, just watch your head.
Sorry, babe.
Oh, it's good. Oh. You got it this You got me. Hit him with the old Force Max special.
I cannot believe we have it.
Oh my god.
Can't believe it.
Oh my god, let's go.
I can't believe we found it. I cannot believe we found it. Bug.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
My adrenaline is through the roof. Oh my god.
That guy was an omen.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. The guy literally was an omen. He's like, just go get it. Whatever. Just tell him your drone crashed.
Alright, woo! Side quest completed.
I cannot believe that. I cannot believe we have it. Oh my gosh. I literally cannot believe that.
I was supposed to say, because I was like, you're gonna lose all your footage.
I know, literally. Now you know. I mean, my heart is beating so fast. I cannot believe we found it. I cannot believe we found it. So, thanks to my girlfriend for encouraging me to go look for it, because I literally was like, there's no way. And of course it landed right behind the heavily no trespassing sign fence.
Like you will be
of all places, you know? Oh my gosh.
Prosecuted, I said persecuted.
Persecuted. But we found it, so thanks to my wonderful girlfriend.
Aw,
She's the
who's
best.
usually the first one to be like, babe, there's a no trespassing sign, we should not. So, oh my god. I love you, babe. I'm so glad you have it. Alright, let's go to Seattle. Let's go get some tacos.
Go to Seattle.